us to this incredible event, let us have Sofia Chandriaguari from Grade 3 Kasaganaan. Let's all give her a warm round of applause.
Good morning, esteemed guests, teachers, and fellow students. It is my honor to welcome you all to our SciMatech 2024, centered around reinforcing science, mathematics, and technology, content proficiency, gearing towards mastery and resiliency. My name is Sofia Chandriaguari, and I am honored to be part of this program. Today, we gather to celebrate the vital role that science, mathematics, and technology play in our education and in shaping our future. These disciplines are not just subjects we study in the classroom. They are the foundation of innovation and problem solving in our ever-evolving world. Mastery allows us to deeply understand concepts and apply them creatively, while resiliency empowers us to persevere through challenges and setbacks, emerging stronger and more knowledgeable. As we embark on this journey today, let us remember that our pursuit of knowledge in science, mathematics, and technology are crucial for personal growth and for addressing the challenges of tomorrow. By reinforcing our proficiency in these areas, we are preparing ourselves to be the innovators and problem solvers of the future. Thank you for being here to support us in this journey. Let us embrace this opportunity to deepen our knowledge, expand our horizons, and reinforce our commitment to excellence in science, mathematics, and technology. Let's make today a discovery of inspiration. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you, Chandria. That was a great start to